Hey guys, Jay Massey here and welcome back to the channel. One of the most important issues when it comes to running your short-term rental business is safety and security. So if you're using, say, automatic locks of some kinds, what's the procedure for changing the codes? Do you change the codes? How often are you changing the codes? How are you changing the codes? And who's responsible for that code change? We discussed that very thing and the process in this particular video. So if you like more information like this, hit that like button and definitely hit the subscribe button so that you can know when we produce another video. Basilio, hey Jay, when using Vivint, do you give each guest a unique door code? Yes, I do. If so, is there a way to automate the process of changing the door code for each guest using Smart B&B or Vivint? Yes, inside Smart B&B, B&B, there is what they have is a custom code. It's a pre-built custom code for the last 4 digits of the customer's phone number. That's what it comes down to. It has a pre-built custom code for the last 4 digits of the customer's phone number. So we use that inside of our message templates so that whatever the last 4 digits of the phone number that their account was on is the last, it becomes their door code. That's really what it comes down to. So that way, and then what we have is we have our staff somewhere between 11 and 4 p.m. When the person arrives, someone is assigned to go in and change the door codes. That's what it comes down to. How would you value taking over someone's short-term rentals to become the new operator? I'm looking at taking over 1-bedroom bath. I would not do that. There are a number of reasons why I wouldn't take over, rephrase. I wouldn't do that for a certain type of customer. I would only do this on the higher end of customer. There's no version of me that's going to suddenly do it in any way, shape, or form. So, but let me tell you why. On the smaller units, there's too much risk to my brand because I'm the operator, and there's too much risk to my system because I don't know what equipment they put in there. And I don't know what else I'm inheriting because they had some sort of a relationship in some way, shape, or form already with either the landlord, or even worse is when it's their listing. I'm like, no. I'm just not, no. So, yeah, I wouldn't do it for those reasons. So you're welcome to do it for your reasons, obviously, but those are reasons why I wouldn't do it. So, I thank you for allowing us to influence you ever so slightly. Hopefully your bank account reflects that influence, especially if you've been implementing what it is that we've been asking you guys to do. So with all of that being said, it's been fun talking to you guys today. I definitely look forward to talking to you guys. But in the meantime, you guys have a great evening.